When you're stretching your hamstrings, it's not always necessary to come all the way down to the floor to do so. Especially if you're experiencing any challenges with balance, a seated hamstring stretch could be a good option for you. Simply find a seat, make sure you're towards the edge of where you're sitting, feet out in front of you, and then extend the leg that you are trying to stretch all the way straight with your heel on the floor and your toes pulled up towards the ceiling. Sometimes this is all it takes to start to feel that stretch start to happen, but you'll deepen that stretch by reaching forward towards your toe as far as you can get without bending your knee. Hold for a few breaths, and then lift up, repeating on the second side. Make sure your heel is touching, your stretching leg is straight, and your toes are up towards the ceiling before repeating. Once you find your deepest stretch, take a few breaths, enjoy the length down the back of your leg, and then lift back up. You can do a couple of repetitions on each side, and you can do this a few times a day to help increase the flexibility of your hamstrings.